Vertex ADAS simulator is custom-built based on Mahindra's requirements. Our team collaborated with Mahindra to design the rendered model, which led to a 1:1 CAD design for production drawings. Using these drawings, Vertex developed a wood pattern for the FRP process and manufactured frames, dashboards, and FRP components. These parts were finished and painted to world-class standards, ready for assembly. The Vertex ADAS simulator was thus created from model image to product as per Mahindra's specifications. We are versatile, excellence, reliable technology expertise. Customers struggle to fully experience all ADAS features during a short test drive, especially when demand for the car is high. Installing a Vertex ADAS driving simulator in every showroom solves this challenge by offering an interactive experience that demonstrates how these features function in various driving scenarios, without the limitations of a real-world trial. Key benefits by using Vertex ADAS simulator are: efficient customer experience. Clients can explore ADAS technologies in a controlled environment, reducing wait times for test drives. Enhanced understanding. The simulator showcases safety features like lane assistance, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking in different conditions. Stronger sales impact. Seeing ADAS in action builds customer confidence and increases the likelihood of a purchase. Competitive edge. A showroom with an innovative simulator sets us apart from competitors, positioning us as a leader in automotive technology. Investing in this simulator ensures our customers grasp the full value of ADAS, leading to better informed decisions and higher satisfaction. We are versatile, excellence, reliable technology expertise. We are versatile, excellence, reliable technology expertise.